Alright guys, so this is a little staple gun that we've had, and we've had this one for a while now. There are a variety that you can choose from. This one is just like all metal. There's no grip to it or anything, so that's the downside of it. But like I mentioned, we did have this for a long time. If you are looking for one, this is the Arrow brand. And a lot of them now have like the little grip on it, which I think that's just a little bit safer if you ask me to. But yeah, so we usually just use this, not even for stuff around the house, but we mainly use this for the lights for Christmas. So we don't really use it too much, but we've had it for a while. And yeah, so when we use it for our Christmas lights, it works really well. It's really easy, nothing gets stuck at all. And it actually came with staples as well too, so that was a plus to it. But yeah, you can also get the staples on the side also, or just individually. But yeah, so this is the Arrow one. It is the JT21. You can see it right there. That's the model of it. But yeah, you can find this online.